let's get into Murad. So if you've clicked onto this video, you are here to see my review of the Murad Blemish Control Kit. So it comes with these three miniatures. I'll put a cutout of what the packaging looks like because I don't have it on me anymore. It comes with a Outsmart Blemish clarifying treatment, which is 30 milliliters. It also comes with a blemish control clarifying cleanser, which is 60 milliliters. And it comes with a oil and pore control mattifier broad spectrum SPF moisturizer, which is 23 milliliters. So they're all quite small, but I feel like you get a lot of uses out of them because I've been using this one just over 7 days, so probably about 10 days I've been using it for, and it's only used about that much. So I would say that this is you get quite a fair, it goes quite a long way if you're using it properly. So just a quick, I'll probably put a little bit of text to describe what type of skin I have, because I've said it a lot in my other videos, but I have quite oily skin, as you can see, quite a bit of blemishes that I'm trying to get rid of. And yeah, this is why I decided to go for this. And I'm gonna start with the clarifying cleanser. This one, okay, so for consistency, I would rate it about a 7 out of 10. I like the consistency of this one. You can really smell, it has quite a strong smell. And when it's on, it just feels, it's kind of like a salicylic, I think. It just feels like it has like it's working like a salicylic acid, so I don't feel like I need to go in again with another one. A cleanser is a cleanser, really. I feel like it only stays on your face for so long, but this one apparently, even once you've washed it off, keeps working on your face. I normally try to leave my cleansers on for at least a minute, just so that I feel like I'm getting some of the nutrients in it, because you put it on and then just wash it off, so it's kind of a waste. So yeah, this one I use, and then once I've used this one, which you can use morning and night, I use the clarifying treatment, which you can use morning and night. So for the sake of this video, I only used these three products on my face, which you probably shouldn't do because at some point you do need to put moisture in, but I just wanted to see if it would make a difference in the 7 days. This one claims that it can make a difference within a week. For the blemish treatment, I think it's quite good. I can't say that I felt like it was anything special. I feel like with these sort of things, they can take weeks to get a fair result, but I've done the Nip and Fab salicylic range, and I saw results in a week. So I feel like there are products where you can use consistently and see results in a week, and if you can, then it's something great, which you don't get from all products. So, and I still use it till this day. It's still one of my favorite products to use to clear skin. One right here, I would say that it is great for oily skin. It didn't make me feel extra oily. It didn't make me feel like I had anything heavy on my face. I feel like it's almost like a serum and a moisturizer when you go to bed at night, so you don't need to put a moisturizer on after it, because while it does tend to make your face feel a bit mattified, it's not extremely drying to the point where it's uncomfortable. Like a lot of salicylic products, they just dry out your skin to the point where you feel like it's a bit uncomfy, and this one doesn't do that. This one, the SPF, so I feel like if you're a person of color, the main thing you want to know is does it leave a cast, and it does. My skin is a fairer shade, so I feel like I can get away with using any sunscreen, really. Like, all of them will eventually rub in on me, but some work a bit better. But I can test a bit actually, just on my hand, just so you can see it. So they say to use it so it's white and to the surface is white. This is how much you're meant to use, and then rub it in. So I'll do that. And as you can see, it's gone already. Like, it's really good in that sense. It is definitely mattifying. It doesn't add any oil to your skin, which is great. It's a really good SPF. And in terms of pores, I don't know that I've been looking out for that. So yeah, I'm now going to insert a picture of my before and after, and it's not a massive difference, but I feel like as the days have gone on, there's something about my face that I've liked more, and I haven't really been using anything else. So after the 7 days, I continued using this one because I really liked it, and occasionally I use this one, just mix it into my routine. While in my before and after pictures you might not feel like there's a massive difference, for me, because of the time of the month that it was, it's just like no difference at all is a massive difference. And I'm sure a lot of you know what I mean. Like when you're going through it, when your skin's nice and clear and then the breakouts come, I probably started it at the wrong time, but if it can do that, then it's saying a lot. Like, I'm definitely going to incorporate these into my my skincare regime if I can find it on sale. Again, I'll be searching. I would get it. I don't know about paying full price for some of their products. I just don't feel like, for me, it's necessary. I feel like my skin is doing okay, and because my acne is mainly hormonal, I can put as much as I want to on the outside. It's only going to help to a certain degree, and I know that. So all in all, what you probably want to know is, would I advise it? Would I recommend it? And I would say, if you have oily skin, yes. If you are not looking for a dramatic difference, yes, because once you've got to, I would say, like, use a heavy salicylic acid if you want to get to the point where you're comfortable and you get like little breakouts and you just want to clear your blemishes over time. I would definitely recommend this. And I feel the only one in the kit I would say is I'm not really fussed about is the oil and pore control, because to be fair, I live in England and the sun hasn't really come out like that. It's been raining all summer, so I haven't got to test it in the sun, which is normally when your skin starts to produce lots of oil. So this week is meant to be hot, so I can definitely test this one out better and get a better result. But to conclude, these two products, I would recommend that you get the starter kit and see how it works for you. The starter kit is £30, which isn't that unreasonable for 3 products that will last you quite a while. I would say this would last up to 2 months. This one probably up to a month, and this one, if you're using sunscreen how you should be using sunscreen, probably you get about a month out of it, if that, really. But yeah, I would recommend these. I don't know, I can't put my finger on what it is. Maybe that's why it's so good. That's why I'm recommending it, because something's just been different. Like, I don't know, like, you're probably looking at me and thinking, oh, okay, your skin doesn't look good, but for me, you can see the differences in the way you feel and the way you look at yourself all the time. Like, you're your worst critic, and that is exactly why I would recommend it, because I feel like over time it's just been improving, and that's all you can ask from a product, really. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have more reviews coming. I have a Ren review, a Lip and Fab review, and if there's any products that you want me to review, just drop it down in the comments and let me know. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that's all from me.